Good day. My name is Angelica Licanda, 28 years old, and I am single. I live in Maasim, Sarangani Province, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and a college graduate, took up Bachelor of Elementary Education. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, taking care of children, and tutoring. I have 4 years of experience in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adult and 2 children. My main duties and responsibilities are childcare, child tutoring, cooking, cleaning, do all housework, pet care, car washing, and gardening. To all my prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am organized, trustworthy, and easy to work with. I can follow instructions well, and I'm open to learning new things. I respect family rules, culture, and privacy. And I promise I prioritize my work so that I can work with you longer. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, and I'm looking forward to working with you as soon as possible.